US tech giants looking to replace passwords with passwordless options. Passwords, these are characters you need to input to gain access to your devices. They have been around for years, and many security experts now want a revamp in security access. Ironically, the future of passwords is passwordless. But how safe and effective can it be? Tech giants like Apple, Google, and Microsoft are now looking for ways to get rid of passwords. Of course, they will find safer replacements for what we use today. What we don't know is the convenience level. One convenient manager of passwords is Google Smart Lock. It prioritizes work or play without asking you to remember passwords and security codes. This is a part of the Google ecosystem and runs across Android devices, Chromebooks, and the Chrome browser. It is also a reason why Google's icon frequently appears in signups. You can use your Google account to sign up and don't even need to remember the password when you log in. The complete shift to a passwordless world will begin with consumers making it a natural part of their lives, said Microsoft Vice President Alex Simmons per Tech Explorer. Keep in mind that there's no perfect security solution in the world. If perpetrators want to truly breach security, they will do whatever it takes. But for an average citizen who worries about everyday tasks, current security offers are usually enough. What they should avoid is giving someone sensitive info or letting others use their devices, especially untrusted entities. Tech giants want passwords out of the way because they are flaws in security measures online. Take this example. You're asked to make several passwords for your personal accounts. You can also go for a set of passwords for each type of account. But you must memorize all of them, and if you can't, you'll write them down. If someone found the writings or you lost the copy, you're in big trouble. A single password or repeatedly used one for all accounts is a major security problem. So what are the passwordless options? According to security company CyberArk, tons of options are accessible. Proximity badges, physical tokens, USBs with FIDO2 compliant keys, retina scanning, and fingerprint recognition. Apps called authenticators and one-time pins sent as SMS also work, usually stronger together. Companies can optimize how these passwordless securities work for performance and reliability. The special treatment is simplifying them to avoid user fatigue. If these securities burden users more, they will likely return to the old ways, which will hurt the evolution of digital security. For now, passwordless security is under scrutiny and may take years to become mainstream. What about you? Passwords or passwordless? How many times did you encounter and attempt to solve the forgot your password issue? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Till our next video, thanks for watching.